Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you the complete walkthrough of our extension SM Payments. SM Payment is an extension that helps you to send the inventory records to the customers via email with the desired email templates and the Pay Now button. And the admin can easily track the success and payment status at any time. From SM Payments, just configure the customer email with PayPal and Stripe generation. Hereby, you can easily share the inventory records of your Vtiger CRM, like invoices, sales orders, and quotes with the payment link to the customer email address. Thus, the customer can easily make payments with a single click on the Pay Now button. Okay, let's see how to configure the payment settings. To access the SM Payments, navigate to Settings and click on CRM Settings. Then go to Other Settings and select SM Payment Settings. On the SM Payment Pay settings, you can easily deselect any of the inventory modules like invoice, sales order, and quotes, or all based on your business needs. Then select the payment method as Stripe or PayPal. If you select Stripe, then fill in the details on the SM Payment and Stripe Pay settings. Here you need to provide the desired email address, publishable key, and secret key of your Stripe account. To get the API keys, click on the Click Here to generate link. Log in to the Stripe account, and at the top bar, click on the API keys. The publishable key and secret key will be displayed here. Copy the keys and paste them into the appropriate field in the configuration settings of the SM Payments. Now the Stripe account is configured with SM Payments. To configure the PayPal settings, provide the email address with which you need to send the payment link. Before that, make sure that you have configured the outgoing server in order to send and receive emails. Once the configuration is done, you can easily send the inventory records to any of your customers with the payment link. For that, select the inventory record you want to send. I have selected the invoice record. Here in the detailed view of the record, you can see Send Invoice with Payment Link. You can select your own email template to send the record via email. Enter the email address of the customer to whom you need to send invoices, and also enter the subject of the email. Then click on Send. Now with a single click, the invoice record is sent to the configured email address. Let's check it out. You can see the configured email address has received an invoice record with the Pay Now link option at the bottom of the configured email address. Now payment becomes so easy as clicking on the Pay Now button. Let's see how to track the payment status. For that, navigate to Tools and select SM Payments. From here, you can easily track all the success and failure statuses of the payment at earlier times. This is all you need to know about SM Payments. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.